Hey everyone, in this video, I will explain to you a Coinbase wallet review and important things to know. Using Coinbase itself is pretty secure as long as you use something like Authenticator for 2FA, but you don't control your actual funds, and Coinbase can freeze them or take them from you. A wallet like Coinbase wallet is nice, but with it being in a phone always connected to the internet, there are risks of malware causing problems. We also don't know if Coinbase has any real control over those funds, or if you really control them. Example, can Coinbase take them back? A hardware wallet like a Trezor is great, but you'll forever be worried about losing the device if someone can guess your PIN or forgetting the PIN yourself. With both the Trezor and Coinbase wallet, you have to protect your mnemonic phrase. You don't want to store it digitally, so not only do you need to keep it somewhere safe where no one can read it, you need to ensure that the physical copy is protected from the floods and fire. You also can't trust that having your phrase is enough to mean no one has seen it and transferred your funds. And that's basically it.